Tube Mastery by Matt Parr, my honest product review. We have all been there, starting a YouTube channel, thinking we are going to become the next big YouTuber that makes millions a month. But that's a pretty rare situation. After all, you have been pursuing this dream for months or even years, trying to make a living as a YouTuber. Now, you take a second look and wonder if it's worth spending so much time on something that might go nowhere. I understand that you have invested hours of your day trying to make the perfect video, editing on expensive software programs, and even buying costly tools to make your videos with professional quality. However, all you have gotten are 1,000 subscribers and a few thousand views that aren't even enough to pay your electric bill. I know that feeling, but what if you could learn the secrets to make your YouTube channel successful and finally release your true YouTuber potential? Meet Matt Parr, a boy who has gone through all the processes and struggles as a novice YouTuber and has discovered the secret strategies to make his YouTube channels grow tremendously. He now has over 9 channels that are making him 5 to 6 figures on a monthly basis. The best part? He doesn't show his face on any of his channels. After all these years, Matt Parr learned the path to become a successful YouTuber and decided to help others by creating an entire course with all the strategies and tricks to be successful on YouTube. He called it Tube Mastery and Money Making. But don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to sell you something here. I'm inviting you to a free webinar where Matt Parr is going to show you what is needed to become successful on YouTube and make a lot of money. I have bought Matt's course myself and I think it is one of the best online training I ever bought. Everything is laid out step by step. Matt is such a good instructor, much better than many of those called gurus. I have learned so much from him. There are 75 video lessons inside the course and many bonuses on top of that. There are 10 categories and those categories contain many lectures by itself. But I don't want to sell you anything. Click the link below in the description of this video and watch the free webinar. Then, decide for yourself if his course is the right choice for you. Life is about making choices, and this can be the start of your success journey. The opportunity is right before you, and one day, you will thank me for this.